If you've been struggling with maybe missing teeth, uncomfortable dentures, or just avoiding the dentist altogether, today's conversation might give you some hope. Because joining us now is Dr. Evan Pivetz to talk about how advancements in dental implants are transforming smiles and can transform your life from this point on. Evan, thank you so much for joining us today.
Pleasure to be here.
So what are some of the most common problems you see when people finally decide to come see you?
Yeah, so we see a couple different kinds of patients, right? The first patient that we typically see is someone who's in pain, who has teeth or multiple teeth that are uncomfortable, and they're just looking for a way out of that situation.
Yeah.
The other patient that we commonly see is someone who's wearing dentures right now, who finds them uncomfortable, doesn't like that they take them in and out, or just feel like they never really fit. They want something that doesn't cover the roof of their mouth, something that lets them chew a little bit better. And then the last patient we tend to see is someone who is noticing maybe they're covering their smile more, they're not smiling for photos anymore, and they're just looking for a way to rebuild that confidence that they've lost.
And when people think of dental implants, a lot of them assume that it's a long process, maybe even years. Realistically, how long would it take someone to leave your office with a smile?
Yeah, so typically the way this used to be done a long time ago is someone would come in for implants and they were talking 6 months, 9 months in denture while they're healing up and everything. But with technology and with advances in surgical techniques, someone that comes into our office and gets dental implants done, if they're getting that full mouth dental implant, they're leaving at the same time with teeth that are screwed in, that don't come in and out. They're able to chew and eat and smile right away.
Same day?
Yes, same day.
Wow.
So it's an instant transformation for someone.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
And I know another option are full arch.
Yes.
What are those? How are those different in terms of comfort and what people can expect?
Yeah, so what full arch dental implants are is they're replacing the denture for a lot of people. So dentures have been around for a very long time and they haven't changed in that time. It's a piece of plastic that you put in your mouth, you glue it in, and you take it out at night and you put it in a cup by your bed. What a full arch dental implant does is it replaces that. It gives you teeth that are stronger, look better, that don't cover the roof of your mouth, that just give you a lot closer to what your normal teeth used to be.
That makes sense. Two great options. And I know for a lot of people, we mentioned earlier, dental anxiety can become a real issue for them and understandable. How do you make your patients feel comfortable and confident through every step of the process?
Yeah, so the first step in that is, my office, right? My office is comfortable. We make sure when someone comes in, they're greeted warmly, that there's no judgment at all within my office, because that person is going to be with us for a long time. They get to know us all really well. It's a small office, a small team, and so we make sure everyone feels really comfortable in that. And then the other option we have is for the actual surgery day, we have a wide variety of sedation options available for people.
That's great.
So we have professionals that come in and their sole job is to provide sedation for patients during procedures, so they're as comfortable and as safe as they can be while getting work done.
Fantastic. And for people watching, maybe they're finally going, okay, I put it off for so long. Maybe this is my moment to finally step and do this. What would you say to them?
Yeah, I would say that, for a lot of people, they've maybe been putting this off for a long time, right? And maybe they're taking care of other people, they have family members, and finally it's time to start taking care of themselves. I would say, come in, talk to us. It's a free consultation. We're happy to talk with anyone who comes in and see what option is available for them. And we understand, right? We know and we see a lot of this every day, and we're here to help anyone who needs us.
You can absolutely tell you and your team are here to help. So if people want to find out more information, where can they go? Yeah,
they can go to our website, dentalimplantsincolumbus.com. They can schedule an appointment directly from the website. They can give us a call and talk to us if they want. There's a lot of ways you can find us.
Making smiles and changing lives. Dr. Pivetz, thank you so much for telling our viewers.
Yes.
Like he said, if you finally want to have that confidence in a smile that you can rock every single day forever, reach out to the team today.